Welcome to the future of computing. Get ready to meet the OTVOC Laptop 15.6-inch, a powerful machine that's ready to redefine your digital world. In this video, we'll take you on an exciting journey through its features, design, and capabilities. By the end of this, you'll understand why the OTVOC Laptop is the perfect choice for you, whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply appreciates cutting-edge technology. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the Intel 11th Gen quad-core processor. Powered by the Celeron N5100, this laptop boasts incredible processing power. With 4 cores and 4 threads, 10M technology, a burst frequency of up to 2.8 GHz, and a cache size of 4 MB, you'll experience a 35 increase in CPU performance and a whopping 78 boost in GPU performance compared to its predecessor. And guess what? It runs on the latest Windows 11 OS, ensuring a smooth and consistent experience whether you're at home, school, or work. Now let's talk memory and storage. The OTVOC Laptop is loaded with 16 GB of RAM running at a blazing fast 2933 MHz frequency. This means you can breeze through your workday, switch between tasks aimlessly, and enjoy lag-free multitasking. And that's not all. With its 512GB PC-based SSD, you'll experience lightning-fast data read and write speeds. Plus, you have the freedom to expand your storage up to 2TB with an HD or up to a massive 4TB with an additional SSD. Need even more space? The micro SD card slot supports up to 512GB. Say goodbye to storage limitations. Feast your eyes on the 15.6-inch HD IPS screen. With a resolution of 1920x1080 and a brightness of up to 400 nits, this laptop's display is nothing short of spectacular. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, you'll enjoy crystal clear, vivid visuals with every detail shining through. Plus, the full HD's display reduces blue light emissions, taking care of your eyes even during long hours of use. Let's talk about longevity. The OTVOC Laptop is equipped with a high-capacity 7.6 F8 500 mAh battery, equivalent to 3.8 17,000 mAh. With an average runtime of 8-10 hours, you can kiss those charging worries goodbye during your business trips. Plus, it features a smart fan design to maintain temperature control, ensuring a fast and stable performance even during resource-intensive tasks. Connectivity is key, and the OTVOC Laptop delivers. It comes with an array of ports to meet all your needs. You'll find 2S USB, 3.0 on a 1X USB 2.0, 1X Type-C, on-X HDMI, on RGT1, Wi-Fi G1 1X, micro SCART slot, on-X headphone jack, and 1X GC jack. These ports cater to your different daily requirements, whether it's data transfer, multimedia, or peripherals. And if you need more ports, you can expand through the Type-C port. In conclusion, the OTVOC Laptop 15.6-inch is a true technological marvel. With its powerful processor, ample memory, vast storage options, brilliant display, long-lasting battery, and versatile connectivity, it's ready to tackle any task you throw at it. Whether you're a professional seeking productivity, a student in pursuit of knowledge, or simply someone who appreciates innovation, this laptop has it all. Elevate your computing experience with the OTVOC Laptop. Don't wait, embrace the future today. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you're as excited as we are about this fantastic laptop, hit that buy now button and make it yours. Stay tuned for more tech insights, and until next time, stay tech savvy.